it's Emily. Today I want to show you how I make my turkey breast in an electric roaster. This is one of the easiest meals you're ever going to make. When you think of a turkey dinner, it sounds a little overwhelming. The turkey is actually the easiest part of the whole meal. And I'm going to show you how I make my turkey in the electric roaster. It will take hardly any prep work and it's delicious. I have done this many times. It's always been good. I've never had it not work out. Here's what you're going to need. Some seasonings and spices, whatever you want, but for turkey, I think sage is a must. So I'm going to put all my seasonings on a plate. Rosemary is also really good with turkey. I'm going to throw in some red onion. I think that'll taste really good. And another thing, all of these seasonings are going to help flavor our gravy because we're going to use our turkey broth, our turkey drippings, and make a really good turkey gravy. So every seasoning I'm putting into this is going to flavor our gravy and make it taste really good. Here's some poultry seasoning. I want a good amount of that. Okay, there's our plate of seasonings. I've got sage, rosemary, red onion, salt, pepper, and poultry seasoning. I've got some butter softened, and I'm going to also add a little bit of olive oil to that softened butter. This is going to help keep our turkey really nice and moist. So I've probably got maybe 2 tablespoons of butter and also 2 tablespoons of olive oil. I'm going to stir this up just a little bit. We're going to put this butter and olive oil mixture under the skin and on top of the skin, and then our herbs will stick really well and keep it nice and moist. That's what the butter and olive oil mixture looks like. I did forget to mention one little thing. I'm going to take 1 chicken bouillon cube and I'm going to crumble this up and just crumble it into the electric roaster just at the bottom. I'm going to add 1 cup of water to that, and that is going to help make our turkey stock, our turkey broth for the gravy. I'm going to glove up for this next step. Okay, here's my turkey breast. And this is a really cheap meal. This turkey breast was $8.50. So to feed my family of 5, this will probably give us 2 meals. Can you see in the bottom I've got my cup of water and then a bouillon cube, just crumbled up a little bit. And I've taken out, this came with a gravy packet, I've taken that out. Make sure all your giblets and everything in the neck, anything that might be inside the cavity, make sure that has been removed. And then I'm going to go up and under the skin a little bit. I'm not going to tear this skin because I want to put it right back. I want to flap it back over, but see all this nice breast right here? I want to make sure that that is seasoned really nicely. Okay, now I'm going to take my butter and olive oil mixture and I'm going to put about half of that up under. Shove it down in there. This is going to help our herbs stick and it's going to keep our bird so nice and moist. Okay, now we're going to take our plate of seasonings. And do you see why I put them all on a plate? Because I don't want to be grabbing my bottles with my hand, my turkey hands. So I'm going to take a handful of each of these. I'm going to save this much for the top. But I'm going to just shove these down. This smells really good. I love the smell of sage. It smells so like outdoorsy and goes so well with turkey. Okay, and then I'm going to take that skin and just put it right back. Ooh, can you see these bumps of butter? That's going to cook down nicely and keep it nice and moist for us so it doesn't dry out. Okay, now I'm going to take that last half of the butter and olive oil and just spread it over the top. And everything we're doing to flavor our turkey breast is going to help our gravy taste so good. We don't even have to add anything to it except some cornstarch, a little bit of water, and then all the drippings, and you've got gravy. Turkey breasts don't take that long to cook. Here's what the turkey breast looks like. I think that's going to be very well seasoned. You can come and check on it. Whereas if it's in a bag in the oven, it's kind of hard to pull it out of the oven, put your thermometer in, and it's in the bag so you can't really get to it. This, I can just easily come, open it up, see how the turkey breast is doing, put my thermometer in. This takes so little electricity and it's so easy. My turkey breast today did not come with a built-in thermometer, so I'm going to keep an eye on this. I'm going to cook it for, I have a 7-pound turkey, so my instructions tell me to cook this for 2 hours and 45 minutes to 3 hours and 15 minutes. I'm going to come and check on this and use a meat thermometer. I want this to be at 165 degrees. That's the safe cooking temperature on poultry. So I've set my electric roaster to 325. Got that beautiful bird in there. And now I have 3 hours to go get other things done while my electric roaster is doing all the work for me. It's been 2.5 hours since we started the turkey breast in the electric roaster. It smells so good. I can hear it sizzling. I want to do a quick temperature check. Whoa, look at the steam. And see how it's coming along. Look at that. Okay, let's stick the thermometer in and see how we're coming. Can you see all that broth in the bottom? That's going to make a really good gravy. Okay, I'm going to stick the thermometer in and we'll give it a reading. Oh wow, we're at 190. We wanted to be at 165. So let's turn this off and let it rest. So on my turkey package, the instructions were 3 hours, but in the electric roaster, I think it cooks a little bit faster, so it cooked in 2.5 hours. I'm going to show you how I make my turkey gravy. I've got my turkey drippings or my turkey stock. And remember, we put 1 bouillon cube in and 1 cup of water. Otherwise, we probably would have gotten about half of that. This is all flavored up from the sage and the rosemary and the poultry seasoning. So I'm going to boil this, and while that's boiling, I'm going to take some cornstarch and dissolve it in some water. Not very much water. I don't want to dilute this broth that much. I'm probably only going to do about 1/4 of a cup of water. And probably about 3 or 4 tablespoons of cornstarch. I'm going to make sure that that's dissolved, otherwise you'll have a clumpy gravy. So just stir it until it's all dissolved. So there's what that looks like. Just looks like kind of cream. I've got the turkey breast all done. I've got rolls made. Look at that big roll. I'm going to cut this in half. I'm going to make Isaac an open face turkey sandwich. Does that sound good, Isaac?
Oh yeah, that's perfect.
Going to put a slice of turkey. Let's see if I can get the lighting right on this. Going to put a slice of turkey on each half of the roll. The lighting's not quite right, but oh, this gravy looks amazing. Here we go. I'm going to ladle some gravy on each slice of turkey. Oh, that looks so good, Isaac. Come and see if you like it. Look at that.
Oh yeah, that's perfect.
Okay, Isaac. I want you to try that and tell me what you think.
Alrighty.
Okay, Isaac, give it a taste and tell me what you think of that turkey that I cooked in the electric roaster. And the gravy. How does it taste?
Ooh, it's tasty. Turkey's nice and tender.
Yeah, it is, isn't it? Does the gravy have a lot of flavor to it?
Oh yeah.